Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are doing fine. I am going to teach you GK. So, for class 7. So, take your GK book, page number 4. So, the first lesson common trees. Common trees. So, read the clues about some common trees. Write their names, choose from the box. So in this first chapter they are given the common trees clues. So we need to mention the name of the tree. First one, let us see. This tree grows widely in India. The tree is often called the village pharmacy as its leaves, flowers, seeds and bark are used to cure a number of diseases. If you are if you are seeing some of the leaves, flowers and bark are used to become number of diseases. So what is that tree name? Neem. So neem tree, have you ever seen neem tree? These neem tree leaves are medical valuable. So even we can take the leaves and boiling into the water and we need to drink every day during this pandemic situation. Corona will not come to me. Okay, come to us. So all of you drink neem water at least weekly 3 days. The next one, this tree is native to Africa. The fruit of this tree yields soft brownish apple which is sweet and sour in taste. What is that? Tamarind. So, have you ever tasted this tamarind? This is not the processed one. This directly coming from the tree only. Very tasty but very sure. Next one. This is the state tree of Kerala. Dear students, have you ever visited Kerala? If you are going to Kerala, you can see lot of tree. The tree has a slender ringed trunk which is topped by a crown of big feather-like leaves. Its fruit contains sweet milky white water which is makes for a refreshing drink. What is the name? Coconut. So, have you seen coconut? Have you seen coconut? Okay. So, we are using coconut in cooking also. Sometimes we will drink the coconut water. It is good for our health. Did you know one thing? Mango, the king of fruits, belongs to the same family as cashew nuts, pepper and pistas. There are more than 1500 varieties of mangoes in the world. Every year, the International Mango Festival is held in New Delhi. Hundreds of varieties of mangoes are exhibited in this festival. Next year, we will go to Delhi and we will attend the International Mango Festival. Okay, we will enjoy variety of mangoes in that festival. Okay, next question. This tree also called the flame tree because it bears bright and flowers, bright red flowers. So here we can see lot of red flowers trees. Even I saw, but I don't know the name of the tree. Gulmohar. Okay, the tree name is Gulmohar. The next one, this tree is abundantly mentioned in Indian mythology. Its bright orange yellow flower blooms in spring before turning red and then wilting in early summer. Asoka. So Asoka tree, it's very important tree. Actually in Indian mythology, its bright orange yellow flower blooms in spring before turning red, then wilting in early summer. Asoka tree. Next one, this tall tree has leathery, rubbery leaves that hang vertically. The leaves contain oil which is used in medicine and cosmetics. So, eucalyptus. So, if you have that eucalyptus seeds. Now if you are seeing anywhere near to eucalyptus tree, you can take that eucalyptus seeds and crush it and smell it. Na, that medicine smell is there. Actually this is very nice and it is very important for our medical purpose. Next one, this large deciduous tree is known as Bodhi tree. This tree has many medicinal properties and also has religious importance. People. That tree name is People. Okay. The first chapter, as you know, they are given the clue of the name of the tree. We have to find out what is the tree. So, one day in the offline class, we will make a quiz kind of things. Okay, at that time, we will ask these common trees names. Okay, we will play. The next one, plant predators. Some plants cannot survive without water, air, and sunlight alone. They grow in places where the soil is deficient in nutrition and hence require nutrition from other source. They trap and eat insects and sometimes even rodents. They are the predators of the floral world. Okay, let us see. Read the description and write the names of the carnivorous plants. So all these herbivorous and carnivorous plants you know. You studied in the science subject. Choose from the box. First one. This plant is scent attracts insects which fall into the unshaped leaves that are covered with a flap. The plant that secretes enzymes to digest its prey. One variety discovered recently in the Philippines traps rats and other rodents. Pitcher plant. Have you ever seen pitcher plant? Next one. This plant, also called Drosera, has more than 194 species and is found every continent. Its secret is a sticky substance on a tentacles to trap insects, sundew. The another one is the leaves of this plant have a sweet smelling sap. Some leaves, if you are seeing, very bitter taste. If you go and eat that neem tree leaves, na, bitter taste. Then some of the plant is sweet smelling sap and sensitive hairs. The lobes of the leaves are trapping the insect that sit on it. Venus flytrap. The answer is Venus flytrap. Next, the leaves of this plant have a sweet smelling sap and sensitive hairs. The lobes of the leaves are trapping the insect that sit on it. Venus flytrap. The next one, this aquatic rootless plant. So every plant has root, but this plant has rootless, has free floating stems. The plant has traps arranged in holes which look like wheels. The traps set as soon as the prey is inside them. What is that? Water wheel. Fifth one, officially called by Plits, its common name derives from its attractive multicolored appearance in sunlight. The glandular hairs on its leaves are sticky and trap insects. Rainbow plant. Next one, this plant grows in wet environments. Its underground leaves have slanted tubes swollen in the middle to form traps which are used to catch minute prey. So if some of the plants depends upon the environmental conditions also will be there. Some of the wet environments always wet needed. Some of the plants, dry plants will be there. Its underground leaves have slanted tubes swollen. So what is that? Corkscrew. First time even I am also heard. Seventh one, also called Utricularia. This is a freshwater and terrestrial plant. It has small hollow bladder, like sacs to catch small prey, like insects, larvae, fleas, and toadstools. What is that? Bladder rot. So, today we covered these common trees and plant predators. So, you need to read one or two times all these things and write the answer and click and send it to my WhatsApp number. Is it clear, students? Is there any doubts? Please clarification hour will be there. That particular time you can ask me, call me your doubts, clear your doubts. That's all. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.